Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, get one something I just come across. I say make I can share am for my people to know. Get one woman for Nigeria. The woman get small baby. They drive am for work. The woman and the baby, they outside for 2 weeks, even more than 2 weeks. So I want one good Samaritan. I come see the one. People they pass, they know they help the woman. So I want good Samaritan. Even the woman get accident with the baby. So make I live on. I'm gonna first watch am first. Then I will come contribute my contribution later.
Madam, how are you doing? Why are you crying? Eh? You have an accident. Is this your baby? This is your baby. What happened to your leg? For where? Now this corner, how you take the sleep?
I buy the day where I buy that bedsheet for one woman.
Now your mat be this?
Yes.
Now your bed be this?
Yes.
Where your family dey? Getting my son of your people, yes. Your language people, yes. Where they pass here, yes. They will just speak language to you. Yes, they will dash money and they no go help you. What do they drink? Gary? God of mercy. You never eat anything this morning. You don't take mineral. God of mercy. Madam, no worry. There will be a solution for that. What I'm after. This is your baby. This is your baby. But ojoojúmọ́ lẹ́yìn máa rí wọn bí báyìí.
Lẹ́yìn ó ti wà surround bí báyìí sí. Ó ti tóbi 2 weeks.
2 weeks. That is the lady married. Madam, they say now 2 weeks you don't dey here.
I don't pass.
You don't pass 2 weeks. What are we going to do now?
I don't do waka up and down.
You don't do waka up and down. What about your family? What about your parents?
My parents, they are not based in Lagos.
Yorùbá yín sà. Egun, ìgbọ́lẹ̀ tí ń ṣe sà. Okay, NEPA office ní bá ní National Theatre. Ẹ sà, báwo lẹ ṣe mọ woman yìí?
Tí bá wà nínú ọgbà mo kàn máa ń rí ní báyìí tó máa ń jókòó always ní báyìí.
Ó ti ká many days now?
Actually 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Mi mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin náà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Àmàlà lẹ́yìn. Ó máa ń tajà fún.
Ó máa ń tọrọ lọ́wọ́ mi.
Ok, ó ń tọrọ lọ́wọ́ yìí.
Ó kò máa ń tọrọ owó lọ́wọ́ yín.
Ó máa ń tọrọ owó lọ́wọ́ mi.
Ẹ máa fún. But ẹ̀sìn máa kílẹ̀ wò. Ọmọ yìí lèmi wà áfà. Ọmọ tó gbé sẹ́yìn.
Ọmọ yìí dẹ̀ fine. Tó bá dẹ̀ ń bọ̀ láàárọ̀ náà mo máa ń rí ibi.
Ó níta lòun máa ń sùn sí.
Èmi máa ń rí bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó máa ń sọdá wá láti báyìí.
Mo ti bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, ó ní ọkọ ẹ̀dá.
Tójú bá ń wọ ọkọ madam, I will help you. God will help you. Don't worry. Ìgbà tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi kó ń sunkún.
Tápà ni mo bèèrè lọ́wọ́.
Ibi ìbàdàn tó máa ń wí ọmọ láàárọ̀ tó máa ń nílò tó máa ń wí ọmọ yẹn tó máa ń fi ọmọ máa fún lọ́yàn tó máa tọ́jú inú òòrùn lọ bíbá ló máa wà. Èmi máa ń rí bíbá tó máa ń jókòó bíbá yìí.
Màmá ó ń ṣe pé ẹ máa ta ọtí fún. Kò mọtí. Ó kàn máa fún lówó ni.
Ó máa tọrọ owó máa pè mí ní àbárí tó mẹ̀tọ́ bá ọmọ yìí.
Sorry.
Madam, ẹ sọ ọmọ yẹn kẹgbẹ dání. Ẹ sọ. Last week ní kíni.
Àfárádá ẹwọ ẹsẹ̀ kejì rẹ̀.
Ẹ jẹ́ gbọ́ sí ìdí ọ̀gá rẹ̀.
Èyí ní ìrẹ̀ ní ìdílé mo fẹ́ lè wá.
Náà Sam, madam náà Sam.
Last week na.
Wetin happen to you ma?
This one na the same accident.
Accident. Okada. Madam, sit down, madam. Sit down, don't worry. sit down.
Wow, can you go?
Kò sí kan tó ṣe woman yìí. Kò sí kan tó ṣe now. There is nothing wrong with her. Ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ gidi now. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ mi wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ yìí? There is nothing wrong with her. She sound well now. She sound well. Nothing wrong with her. Madam, there will be a solution. Ẹ sàn máa fẹ́ kẹ́ weakness. Owó ṣòwò ṣe. Owó ṣòwò ṣe lọ́wọ́ táwa yìí. Kọ́ máa wò di àgbo fẹ́ gba ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ó fẹ́ lọ ṣe kíní kan kìnìún kan. Ní ìṣẹ̀ ní ìṣẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe irúṣẹ́ báyìí. But gbogbo kan àwọn ẹyinjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ní fèsì kan lórí social media.
Ọlọ́run wà lẹ́yìn bàbá yẹn náà kan.
Madam rọ.
Àwọn ọ̀dà kan ní mọ́tò kọlù ní ibà.
You don't respect the two women. I don't know her. I just want help her.
But it's good like that.
People like that.
This our country, we get bad leader.
Thank you.
These people like this now. They have to carry them.
I am not governor. I am not senator. I just like to help her. I see what they go. They give a police. They oh yeah, madam, go in, sit down. Enter, madam.
Enter.
Eh?
No, me. Now let me take the duty. I don't do. But you look fine. Tomorrow morning I'll come here.
ẹjọ tó ń kàṣẹ ẹjọ ń kàṣẹ bàbá ẹjọ àwọn náà ẹpẹ ẹjọ.
Madam, what will be your name? Eh? Joy Godwin. Which state are you from?
I'm from Kogi State.
You are from Kogi State. Eh? Igala.
Yes.
Igala by 12. Where your husband dey and where your family dey?
My husband dey in my village.
He dey your village. Wetin?
My family dey for my village.
Oh, your family dey for your village. Calm down. Sorry, eh? Sorry. I know you are Philippine. Your family dey for village, ba? And wetin you come do for Lagos?
I come here to make I come find money, go back to my village. That is the thing wey carry me come here. So when I don get the money finish, I get it since 2019. Now I dey for Lagos. As I dey for Lagos, I dey sell something with all those people wey dey sell rice for shop. I run something for 5 I don wake up. I go just waka go to where I dey work. Sometimes dem go
Madam, sorry.
Dem go pay me like 500, sometimes dem go pay me like 600.
For the place where you dey work.
For the place where me I dey work. So me I come dey gather the money small. the money reach about 20-something thousand. Somebody come steal the money. This year.
Oh, they steal the money?
Yes. They steal the 120,000.
100 and...
20,000.
Okay.
So for as when they steal the money, that time I get this baby fellow. And when they talk say, my money, every time I was a gather. And some of them, when they say my husband, they assist me, everything, they inside. Make I gather the money, every month now.
1 month now, when you don't sleep outside with this baby, with this mat, why see, with this load, why see, any other.
So my people, so now so we see, so this woman, so, I don't know the reason why. You see that Nigeria, they say they don't want, they don't want use their brain, but we will they talk until they will get sense for that Nigeria. As that woman did there, so not be say all these politicians not they pass them. Not be say rich people not they pass so. A person will not still to get, now will still come help. Now still come help this woman. See, I don't understand that country. I don't understand that Nigeria so. I don't know why be saying a person will just get now they get. Okay, see woman now with small baby. You see Nigeria, when you see so. Many people, when they street, when you say that they crazy, they're not they crazy so. Now condition make their life be like that. If you see this woman and you say she dey crazy, she normal. She normal finish. Nothing they do this woman. She normal. But because of say the condition when she dey now, come make her look like crazy person. They struggle with the baby. They street, they sleep for street. Nobody to help her. Jeep go drive past. Rich people go drive past. Politicians they go past. It no concern them. The life when be say poor people they live, people when not get money, people when they depressed, it no concern them for that country. The only thing when concern them are all about them. If you don't get money, you won't be person for that Nigeria. If you get money, you will be person. If you not get money, you not be person. So as I said, they not go yes. So we go they talk until they go hear what for that Nigeria. So you see this woman now, even the baby now. It can't be like Christmas. You can't go get accident during the condition when you did. Nobody to rescue her. People they pass her. She they sleep outside with a small baby. See that Nigeria. All these corrupt politicians when they that Nigeria, when they say they don't want me that they help people so only their pocket. But they say every day for the thief, 1 day for the owner. I know those kind of things, if they pay me. They pay me a lot. People when people say they were supposed to help our country, that Nigeria, they don't get all the opportunity. Now people when go they show them pepper, they show us pepper for that country. Now they get the opportunity. See this baby now. I wish this good Samaritan now not come now. Come help this woman now. Although he still drop the woman number, say who won't help her, who still call help her. I wish this good Samaritan now not come help this woman. He with this baby who did there. I know this well there is nothing we can do about it. Rather to if we see what is not good, we will talk and say it's not good. The only that thing I would if they do for that our country. Apart from that, there is nothing you can do. You not get money if you not let you talk. If you talk, you enter one chance. If you talk, you enter problem. People when they worship for that Nigeria. Now all those governor, presidents, politicians, now they worship for that Nigeria. All those rich people. If you not get money, you not be person, you not fit talk. You see people full streets. People when they're normal. If you see Nigeria na craze people, na many pass. Not be say that they craze, so you go see that you say this one are craze people. They're not the craze, but they're normal. But it's full of craze people. Nigeria are full of crazy people, but they're normal. But everywhere full of people when they know, they be like people when they know normal. Because of what? Because of corruption. Who get not go help, who no get. And who just sit down on top of the money, won't just they eat and they go. But one day, I hope one day, God will rescue our country. Yes, God will rescue our country. See small protests when they do that, they turn out to another level. Nobody they talk good that side. You see, as country, Nigeria will be the first corrupt country. Nobody they talk good there. Nobody, because they don't want year waiting good. Yes, they don't want. They come. They will fly. Come abroad, fly. Abroad. Then they fly come every day. Whether na fly, be na fly that they fly come, I don't know. Whether they fly themselves, I don't know. They come every day. But then they see the good things. If abroad no good, then will they fly come? No. But for them to repair their country, a very big deal for them. To just repair that country, a big deal. But they not go stay. There is 6 months they go fly. Anything they go fly. But they forget say those things when they abroad, still they that Nigeria will make that Nigeria they okay. And they will even still get the money when they see they fine. Because if you invest, you must get them. But no. See suffer when this woman they suffer now. Injury with baby for back. If you see her now, you say this one a crazy woman. And she know the crazy. She normal. She normal finish. Now condition. Small work when she still they do the drive on them. Now that condition make her be like that because of a baby. And so we did for that our Nigeria. So I said make I come share them, give my people. So now still help me share them out. Because this our governor, all these politicians, they need to hear word. Yes, they need to hear word. They need to hear word. May they repair our country for us. Because now they be the cause of all this problem. Yes, now they be the cause of all this problem. Europe, when they come, they see everything. They okay. Hardly before you go, they see people they hang for a road up and down. People when they not normal. Even people when normal self they hang. Reach Lagos now, under bridge full. No, we say they're not normal. They're normal. Now condition. Nobody to help. And then they pass. All this governor, senator, then they pass them. The painful part of it, that they see all these things. No, we say they need to. If they won't pass, they will carry army, carry mopo. Mopo now know they do their duty. They will pack them, follow body. So that nobody go relay them, nobody go talk to them for road. What kind of country? What kind of country is that? Who does that? And it's very, very annoying. So I say make I come share and give my people. So if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, I better subscribe. So that anything when I see like this, I'll come to share and press the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you'll be notified. As you do so, thank you and God bless you, my people. Okay, see you.